In this video, I'll show you how to use motion tracking in CapCut Desktop. Motion tracking allows you to attach texts, graphics, or even videos to moving objects, so it follows it perfectly around the screen. So I'll break it down step by step so you can use it without making any mistake. Let's get started. So motion tracking is actually quite similar. In this previous video here, we were talking about camera tracking. And in case you're wondering how we actually got here, this is a CapCut series. We've started right from the scratch, how to create your first video in CapCut, applying effects, creating amazing text, to even me speaking Chinese, because I was literally speaking Chinese here. So yeah, a bunch of amazing things that we've done. Color grading, you can see amazing colors here. So you're going from this to this. Bunch of interesting stuff that we've done, keyframes and a whole lot of stuff. And the last one was camera tracking. Now we're here for motion tracking. So they're quite similar. The only difference is in camera tracking, you're tracking a part of your body, but in motion tracking, you're tracking your body with something else. So you have two things to be tracked, your body and let's say a picture, your body and something else. And I'm going to show you what exactly I mean by that and how to do it. So now we have a video here. I'm going to work with the same video I have for myself. I'm just going to bring in this, let's say this video of this guy running. Yeah, we're going to bring this video of this guy running. And in case you're wondering, how do we have this spacing in between? It's very simple. Just turn off main track magnet. And yeah, you can have like multiple spaces in between, yeah, your timeline. So very simple. We have a video of this guy running, as you can see. We're going to start from here where it's pretty visible. And now we're going to track something. For example, I said we can track, so we can track text, we can track pictures or videos or whatever. So I'm just going to pick this other video right here, which I actually want to track later anyways. I'm just going to add it with an overlay. So yeah, I'm just going to like reduce the scale. So let's say, yeah, I'm just going to reduce the scale. So I'm going to track this video. The video is actually not the same length as is. So I'm going to come down to speed over here. And I'm going to make the video, let's say, okay, 12 seconds also. Yeah, I'm going to highlight 12. Good. So now they're about the same length. Okay, I can increase the bit. Okay, I can just cut out of it. It's fine. To cut, I just pressed W. I'll just come here. As you can see here, it says Q, W. Press W and it cuts right. Okay, so that's it. And I want to track this and this. So I want this particular video to follow this man while he runs. That's what I want to do right now. You can see. So I'm just going to, very simple. I'm just going to click on this video. As you can see, the tracking option comes. If you click on the main track, you see you don't have a tracking option. You have video, audio, speed, animations, adjust, and that stuff. So yeah, it's only available for overlays. In the next video, I'll actually talk about overlays and explain more on overlays in case you don't know what overlays are. So I'm just going to click on tracking. As you can see, motion tracking, you can see now motion tracking, click on it. And now you have this option to select what you want to track. Just make sure it fits properly to the body or whatever you're tracking. It can be an animal, just make sure you're tracking properly. Scale, yes. So this one basically means the way the man is running or the way the main your subject is moving. Do you want your what's it called? The thing that you want to follow it to also change in size, or you want to have that static size. So for me, I want it to change even in distance. I want movement in distance. I want movement in size of. So I don't mind this becoming bigger or becoming smaller, and also like changing in size. So very simple. I'm just gonna press start. You can see it's tracking already, as you can see. So you can see what, so basically, let me just play for you. Let me just see. You can see. So this is becoming bigger and smaller. That's because of this that we have. You can see. If your button check, it's just be in one position while it's following him. And yeah, I see bigger, smaller. So you can see it's following the man. So this is basically what motion tracking basically is. You can see it keeps tracking like that. So yeah, we've tracked, for instance, now we've tracked what's it called? A video. I can do something for a picture. So now I'm just gonna bring the same video. I'm just gonna bring, let's say, the same video now. But now rather than me tracking and that video, I'm just gonna track, let's say, text. I'm gonna come to text right here. I'm gonna bring the text. As you can see, I just running the text. So yeah, I'm just gonna write, let's say, tracking. Tracking. Good. I'm just gonna put text up here, over him or somewhere. So yeah. I'm just gonna come to, you can see tracking, the same thing, motion tracking. Yeah. But now this time around, I'm not going. I don't want constant changes like I did in the last one. So I'm going to uncheck this scale and distance. So yeah, then I'm going to click. So you can see the difference. I'm going to click start. So yeah, tracking is done. So let's see. Let's play and see. So you can see still following. It's not changing in what's it called, in size, and also the distance between the man and the subject is remains the same. So that's the reason why this one is important. So yeah, that's basically it right there. You can see tracking. Yeah. So basically, can you track two things? I think you should be. Yeah, you can actually track multiple things. So let me try and bring something else. Let me see. So you can actually track multiple things. So let me see if I can. Yeah, we can even track stickers. We can track like a whole bunch of stuff. So let me think. Yeah, I think we can track stickers. I tried that one time. So let me bring in this sticker. Let's say this sticker right here. Which one can I bring? Okay, let me just bring in this arrow. This sticker. You can see a tracking option is available for the sticker. So I'm going to track the sticker with a man. I'm just going to put the sticker with a man. So let's say, yeah, right from here. Let's have it. How should I have it? I don't want it covering the tracking text. So yeah, I'm just going to have it here, I guess. So yeah, we can track like different things. Yeah, I think I'm just going to have it this way. Yeah, this way. Tracking. You see? So yeah, you can track multiple things on like one particular character or subject or whatever. So yeah, the same thing. I don't mind distance moving, but scale. I want the size of the tracker to remain the same because yeah, I want it to be small. So I'm just gonna click on track. But distance, yeah, you can move all around the place in distance. Yeah, it wasn't working so well. But let's play it and see. You can see. So you can see tracking. It keeps following it. Yeah, I should have unchecked distance though. Yeah, you can see that tracking. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. But let me actually uncheck the distance and see. See, I want it to maintain the distance for me. Yeah, I like it's better. It maintains the distance. So yeah, this is this is way better. So you can track multiple things. You can even track more stuff. Yeah, following around. Let's try and track on that video. So we're tracking three things with just one person. So let me bring in the video. Let me see. Let me bring this. Okay, let me bring in this picture. I'm gonna bring this picture. So we're tracking three different things with one particular video. Yeah, three different things. I'm gonna bring in this picture. Oh, sorry, I scaled the wrong thing. So Control Z. Now this is what I actually want to scale. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this right here. As you can see, pretty small. Bring it to the beginning. So yeah, I want to track this. So I guess I'm just gonna put this one up here. So let's just bring the scale up a bit. So you're tracking multiple things. So you can just come here and just zoom in so you can see what we're doing. Then use your trackpad to see. So you're tracking multiple things just with one person. Or let's bring it up here. Yeah, let's bring it up here. Tracking multiple things and go back to this line here to fit. So yeah, want to track multiple things with one person or one particular main video tracking. Yeah, come here again. So we're tracking. Yeah, this person here, main subject. Yeah, for this one also, I don't want the size change. I want the size maintained. So I'll just turn this one off. Distance, no, I want distance also maintained. So yeah, start. It's pretty quick. It doesn't waste time anyways. So you can see done. Just play. Yeah, we have multiple things being tracked. As you can see, a picture, a tracking text, a sticker, as much as you want. As much as you can imagine, you can track it just with one specific person, one specific picture. So yeah, that's basically it. Should I do one more? Let me see if I can just do one more for yeah. So let's see follow grade. Oh yeah, we have this particular video here. That first video. Okay, yeah. I just want to try with like different complexities because so this one seems a bit easy. But let's just go for text for this one and let's see. Because sometimes the AI stuff might be a bit, I don't know, it gets tricky depending on what you're working with. So yeah, depending on the video tracking. I'm going to try with my video also and see. So should I bring in tracking over or under it? Okay, no, I'm just going to make it tracking small. I'm going to have it tracking by side. Yeah. So come to tracking. And I want to track, because this might be harder because he's small. The subject is very small. So let's see. Let's see what we're able to get done with this particular subject here. So scale, yeah. I'm gonna so let's see. Oh, hopefully we have something good. Let's see. Okay, keeps tracking. It keeps tracking. Yeah, it keeps tracking. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let me play the video again. Yeah, it keeps tracking. You can see the scale changed a bit. Yeah, it keeps tracking it. It keeps tracking. Guys, this is amazing. So yeah, and the final one I'm gonna do is for myself. Because yeah, just try as much as possible. Let me see. Where's that video of myself while I was talking? Because I specifically made a part of the video for like motion tracking anyways. Because I knew I was going to do a tutorial. Okay, yeah. This part of my hand here. Yeah, I'm going to track my hand now. So okay, good. So I'm going to track, let's say, let me track this video. Well, no, let me just take a picture so it's quicker. Let me track this picture on my hand. No, let me just, okay, let me make this one smaller. Okay, so I want to track this picture of my hand. Let me zoom this in so it fits properly. Hopefully my hand does, okay, my hand stays. Okay, good. So now I want to track this on my hand right here. Good. This might be a bit tricky because my hand is a bit blurred out. So let's see how it works. Let's see if it works well. Tracking, motion tracking. I think for this one, I'm probably just going to track this. I don't trust tracking my finger, but let me try. Let me try tracking my finger because it looks a bit blurred out. So let me try tracking my finger and let's see what we have. Hopefully, it works well. I'm going to turn up the scale. Distance, yeah, distance can maybe. Let's see. Okay, it actually worked. It actually worked. Yeah, it actually worked. Nice. Yeah, so guys, you can see. Yeah, it actually worked. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like when it comes to like motion tracking, yeah, amazing stuff in CapCut. So, like I said, check out the previous videos we've done. Right from like creating your first video, like this video is absolutely amazing. Check it, you need to check it out in the other videos. The effects and everything. Yeah, we turned the picture into a video. Yeah, uh, like creating captions. There's a video of me speaking Chinese, like I said earlier, and everything. So, yeah, make sure you check them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you, and yeah, God loves you too. So, bye, guys.